Out that the people who are standing here in front of the Jairam Mato, there is a single reason. There is a heart attachment. There is a non-political statement. Even the heart attachment is that it started. The people came from that 11 o'clock and waiting till 9 o'clock. What may be the basic reasons regarding this crowd, Jairamji?
The major reason behind this crowd is exploitation. That exploitation that we are facing from last 23 years in our Jharkhand land. Everyone, government employment, workers, farmers, students, everyone in these states continually.
When you are delivering your speech, I was listening very constantly to you that you are having a single point that land exploitation has been continued for the last 23 years. We can go 50 years back also. So why you have just targeted for the last only 23 years?
No, almost after independence, the people of Jharkhand lost their land in many more. In every land unification, like dams, schools, roads, rails, in everywhere, we lost most of lands.
Okay, don't you think that the politicians, they are under pressure after having this much of the crowd in front of you?
Obviously, they are in pressure because last night.
They are in pressure or you are generating pressure? I don't think that it is a pressure politics.
No, they are in pressure because crowd support me. People love me.
They will cast their vote to you in voting system, or this is only the love or the heart attachment to you?
Yes, this is a big challenge that how can we convert this crowd into a vote. It's a big challenge, but we hope, and for this we are working hard, night to day, day to night, with unstoppable. So I hope. And
do you think that you are the classified politician right now?
No.
From the entire 81 constituency, when we think that, are you classified?
No. It is not easy to fight in 81 assembly. We are in a young age. We are in learning period. So we are trying to change the
You are only in the sense of the CNT section. You are not going towards the sides of SPT. What may be the basic reason? In the comparison scale.
Whenever I will go to the Santhal Pargana, definitely I will discuss in SPT Act.
When we think about the crowd section, when CNT is still alive, but lands are exploited by the, I don't want to take the name of who are exploiting them, but the fact, while delivering your speech, you have told that everyone is exploiting a Jharkhandi. Is it right?
Because the major reason behind this exploitation is minerals. From newspaper, we heard that in Khoti, Ranchi and Saraikela, there is a source of gold. In Gumla, Simdega, Lohardaga, there is a source of diamonds. So they want to loot the minerals of Jharkhand.
Okay, when you started this statement that earlier you told that I would like to go to the Vidhan Sabha. Now finally you have decided for the Lok Sabha. And you are giving the honest and open challenge to the Mr. Modi. What we will think about this statement?
Because every policy that is from Delhi, totally harassment for Jharkhandi, totally the matter of exploitation, land policy.
If somebody will exploit you, then you will give the threatened in open platform. You are giving threatening to the entire political parties of Jharkhand.
Because they are exploiting us through misusing the power. So the power of political. So when our MP will be elected from the people, they will definitely ask the questions from the Prime Minister, what are they doing for Jharkhand?
You are talking about the 371A. Do you think Jharkhand is equivalent to Nagaland? Or Nagaland is having the entire statements which are equivalent to the Jharkhand?
Not only Nagaland is included in 371.
Jharkhand is not on the base on the Bhasa Sanghal Samiti.
Why not?
Jharkhand is made on the basis of language.
Not language.
Then why you are taking the examples of 370?
Why not? We can demand.
You can demand, but you are giving the example of Nagaland.
We can demand.
The entire statements of the Nagaland.
Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra, many states are including in that section 371. So because Jharkhand is also a poor state with maximum minerals, then country Delhi has to decide about the Jharkhand.
To whom you are fighting? There is a simple question from my side to you. To whom you are fighting?
We are fighting against the corrupt system, not personally, against the system.
You
We
are
are
taking the name of Sansad, you are taking the
Yes.
name of MLA.
Yes.
Then
because
why don't you take the name?
They are responsible. They are responsible. If they will not responsible, I will never ask. I will never set any question.
Don't you think that you are targeting the Bihari, UP
No,
politicians?
never. Why?
Then you are taking the
Why
name of the
will-
Raj Sinha or the Pasupatinath or the other things. You are not taking
No.
the Dr.
Yes,
Lambodar.
definitely today I will.
No, you have not opposed him.
No.
You have told this thing.
Today I ask question from the local MLA, local MP. Both are from Jharkhand.
किनके लिए लड़ रहे हैं अब आइए किनके लिए लड़ रहे हैं जयराम जी
I am fighting for exploited, oppressed, marginalized, downtrodden.
You are doing your PhD on the basis of the colonialism, no? Isn't
Yes,
it? No?
yes.
So don't you think that industry is also quite important for
Yes.
development?
Yes,
Then you are
definitely.
against of industry, no?
Yes, I am also against of industry. I ask question from CMD.
You want to make every student, every Jharkhandi a farmer or industrialist.
Obviously, most important thing is land. After that, industry, because industry has a limited time. They will be established. It will be established in every parts of country, in any parts of country or states for a temperament time. But land.
While delivering your speech, you have told one statement, Gangua ki
Yes.
Gangia.
Yes, Gangwa
I want
ki
to know this statement that how the people will understand these things. You are taking a person who is poor and his wife when he goes. Just explain this.
यस क्योंकि अब ये थोड़ा सा हम सरल भाषा में बोलेंगे ताकि हर एक व्यक्ति को समझ में आएगा। मैं ये उदाहरण देता हूँ कि आज हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री लंबी सेखी बघारते हैं कि भारत राष्ट्र एक उन्नत शक्ति के रूप में, एक महाशक्ति के रूप में, एक ऐसी देश के रूप में उभर रहा है जो आने वाले दिनों में देश दुनिया में नाम करेगा। अच्छी बात।